Hi everyone, this is K-pop Vlog, si Filipino actor based in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video, ang Kim Pao compilation. So I won't take any longer. Let's start this reaction video. Agad-agad. Go! Ay, ano to? Ay, ang gwapo naman ng Pao Pao. Alagang Kimi yan. Alagang Kim Chu yan for today's video. Hindi natin maididinay yan na inaalagaan ni Kimi yan. O, loko, saan siya dalahin? Tsare! Yan ang sinasabi ko. Saan dalahin? O.
Hala!
Gwapo ni Paolo, no? Grabe. Hindi pa sila nag-jogging for today? Wala bang jogging ang Kim Pao? Ayan na, parang ang tagal na nila walang jogging na. Nagkakalabuan na ba? Tsare! Eme lang! Eme! Kakalabuan for today's video. Ay, Diyos ko, may nakita akong dito maato dito for today's video sa TikTok. Napapakla natin. Pati sila nababakla talaga kay Paolo. Yan ang sinasabi ko. Ay,
Problema ka ba sa akin?
Puso man niya ay nasugatan.
Hindi na ako magpapaloko sa kanya. Mas matibay.
buti hindi niligawan ni Paolo si Bea.
I'm
Sorry.
sure you are very grateful to your late wife, Rose.
Matagal na pong wala si Rose. Bago na po ang pamilya ngayon.
Ito yung pamilya na dapat akin. Ito yung buhay na dapat sa akin.
The war is back on, Patrick.
Masyadong malaki ang setup mo. Sa party lang ako maganda. So why not you step back and let me do my thing? I consider Patrick as my friend. That's why nagdala ako
Ay,
ng
parang
regalo
magaling
para sa
to.
kanya. I am Martina's mom.
Parang maganda to, no?
May nararamdaman ka pa rin ba para sa kanya? Mahal mo
Yes.
ba si Patrick?
Ay, akala ko mahal mo ba si Paolo?
Sana lukas pa ang kahapon.
Chares. Ay, ito na. Ito talaga ang gusto ko. Ito talaga ang gusto ko for today's video. Ay, grabe, napapamura. Mami, napapamura sila kakasanggang po ni Paolo. Napapamura sila sa kagupuhan ni Paolo. Haler. Ang gwapo din naman kasi talaga. Ang ganda pala ng boses niya, no? Di ba Kim Pao ngayon? So, kailangan na natin kumain. So, paano yan? Kain tayo, guys. Nagugutom ako. Hindi ko alam bakit parang drain ako. Ang mata niya makulay, no? Naalagaan talaga ni Kim yan. Sure na sure. Ay, bakit ka po tumumay? Ayan na. Technical issue yun ah.
Morning, Paulo.
Hello, good morning.
Ano po?
Paulo, you were known as the Prince of Philippine Teleserye. You
Oh,
also
Prince of
ventured
Philippine
into
Teleserye siya?
did a recording album, ventured into movies and even indie films. So, kamusta na ang very busy Paulo Avellino ngayon?
Still the same, still busy. Busy now with promoting Larawan and with a few more projects.
What did I miss? Doon sa mga binanggit ko, ano pa ba ang accomplishments ni Paulo so far?
Wala, you know.
Wala.
Medyo nahihiya
Kalmado
ako pag
talaga siya pag
nililabel
magsalita,
yung-
no?
Parang if they give me a title, like the Prince of Teleserye.
Iba
because
talagang pagkakalmado
Ilan
niya.
na kaya.
And of course, you're more than that. Tell us about this movie, Larawan.
Yes, Larawan is
Larawan.
used to be a novel by Nico Kin. It was in English. It was translated by Rolando Tino,
Sulat siya,
one
di
of our
ba?
national artists as well, into Tagalog for a musical play. And now our
Nagtitinda
producers
din pala
decided
siya.
to turn it into a film. So
Hindi
it's
ko
a
na
musical
nalaman.
film.
Okay.
Nakita ko yung listahan ng mga character actors, veteran na theater actors. You have there Joanna Ampil, Noni Buencamino, Rachel Alejandro, Celeste Legazpi. Anong feeling kasama sila?
It's overwhelming because I was given the chance to work with this veteran actors and
Iba talaga siya
well-accomplished
magsalita.
and well-respected
May
actors
diin talaga
in
siya
this
magsalita.
industry, not just in theater or in anything in musicals, but also on television and film. And I felt like I was
Ano?
miscast for the role. Pero eventually, when I got the hang of it and after numerous trainings and rehearsals with my co-actors, parang umokay naman.
What naman miscast? I saw the trailer. It's a period piece, di ba?
It
Pero
is.
parang you fit into that role. Your role is Tony Javier. Tell us more about Tony Javier.
Yes, Tony Javier is a boarder in the house of these two sisters who are
Tony Javier.
but yeah, I wouldn't say he's an opportunist, but he has big, how do you call this?
Ambitions, or-
Yeah, he has a really big ambition, and he thinks
Tsaka Inglesero
that
talaga si
he
Paulo.
deserves more
Hindi mo kaya.
than what life
Straight
is
talaga siya
throwing.
mag-English. Ay, ito. Yes, todo alalay talaga siya. Hindi mo kaya. Ay, nalalayan niya talaga, ma'am. Gusto ko makita yung mga sweet moments sila sa BTS. Mag-research nga ako. Ay, ano to?
One of your newest brand ambassadors joining Kim. And of course, thank you everyone for coming. Thank you for your time. And perfectly jogging for summer. Kim, what do you want to say?
Ayan, to my Chowking family, maraming salamat for this another great journey, another great experience, another year, of course, with Chowking Halo Halo Supreme. Thank you for the trust, thank you for the support, and I'm always a proud brand ambassador of Chowking.
Ay, taray. Taray. Saan dalahin?
Here tonight, maraming salamat for taking time, and sana nag-enjoy kayo sa amin. And congratulations! Yes, congratulations pa. And mabuhay ang Chowking Halo Halo Supreme.
Buhay ang Chowking halo-halo. Anyways, that is our for today's video. This is Kimo Vlogs. See you on my next vlog. Bye.